You asked. Here it is. We're ready to talk about the chain rule. I'm going to break this down into some bite-sized pieces so hopefully it's easier to digest. All right, so a chain rule comes into play when we have the composition of functions. What that means is we're going to have a function inside another function. So you remember the notation f of g, which is the same as f of g of x. So here, our g of x is being plugged into our function f. So how do we take the derivative of that? Well, just to give you the breakdown of what that looks like, if I take the derivative of f of g of x, that's going to be the derivative of f evaluated at g times the derivative of g. There's your chain rule. Ready, set, go. You're done. I wish. Just kidding. So that's one way to show the general form. The second notation is if we know that y equals the function with the variable u. So if I'm going to take, and we know, that u is a function of x. We're going to be using this to help us guide through the chain rule, so this is just worth seeing. Y is a function of u is a function of x. So the derivative of y with respect to x is the derivative of y with respect to u, derivative of y with respect to u, times the derivative of u with respect to x. And here, if you see, my du's are going to cancel, and there's my dy dx. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show an example where we're going to see that. Okay? Let's go and see some examples. Here's general format, notation-wise. Now we're going to look at actually using it.